The digital solution for high picture and sound quality. Speedy and efficient editing. Easy migration from analog to digital with all analog interfaces. With these design concepts in mind, Sony introduces the DSR-85P, employing the DVCAM format, the ultimate choice for video professionals. The consumer DV format has been launched all over the world, based on the agreement of more than 50 companies. Adding further to the distinctive features of the DV format, Sony has developed a professional DVCAM format. The DVCAM far surpasses the video and audio quality of the SVHS format. High reliability is ensured for the professional editing environment. The DVCAM pictures are recorded in a high-quality component digital format. Massive amounts of data are recorded on a tape with a width of only 1/4 of an inch, or 6.35 millimeters. Let's look at the track pattern. You can see how video, audio, ITI and subcode areas are laid out. Each frame consists of 12 tracks. For recordings, the same 5:1 compression ratio as the consumer DV is employed, while using a wider track pitch to ensure higher reliability. PCM digital stereo audio recording is employed to ensure superb sound performance. High-quality DVCAM professional cassette tapes make high-density recording possible. Both standard and mini sizes are available. The DVCAM tape features excellent performance, including high RF output and greater durability. The DSR-85P can be integrated into almost any conventional editing system. This means that if it is combined with conventional A/B roll editing systems, a hybrid system with the DVCAM format can be obtained. In addition, consumer DV recordings can be used directly as editing source material, because the DSR-85P can playback DV cassettes without the need for a special adapter. The DSR-85P is equipped with various new features, in addition to the superior operability of the popular UVW series. The front panel is large and highly legible. Various operational parameters for editing can be set easily using the menu buttons and cursor. The high-speed picture search covers a range of up to 15 times normal speed in both forward and reverse, and is available in color. As you can see, slow and still images are clear without bar noise. Also, the jog audio makes it easy to designate editing points while monitoring the audio signals. Superb sound quality is available using either 4 channels of audio at 32 kHz sampling frequency or 2 channels at 48 kHz. This enables up to 4 audio sources to be assigned to individual channels. The DSR-85P can fully demonstrate its superb performance in the digital environment. High-speed data transfer from tapes to disk and vice versa at 4 times normal speed has been achieved through the combination of Sony's digital nonlinear editing system, the EditStation ES7. This high-speed data transfer capability contributes to a remarkable reduction in the time-consuming uploading and downloading operations, while maintaining superb video and audio quality. This has been realized by new technologies, such as the newly developed small drum mechanism and amorphous twin head construction, which make the head rotate at 18,000 RPM. Data read at the high speed is transferred by the newly developed Serial Digital Data Interface (SDDI). SDDI allows degradation-free transfer of both video and audio signals to the hard disk, without digital analog conversion and compression. Sony also offers another efficient editing operation called Clip Link, which was made possible through the new digital technologies and the excellent DVCAM format. This Clip Link operation is achieved by combining the DSR 130p camcorder, the DSR 85p and the ES7. The DVCAM cassettes play an essential role in this Clip Link system. Each cassette has a 16 kilobits IC memory. This memory can store various shot data such as time codes, scene numbers, take numbers, OKNG, etc. for each video clip. In addition, the initial images of each clip can be recorded as index pictures. These index pictures can be stored at the end of recorded pictures on the tape in order to be used later on the GUI screen of the edit station. Now let's compare the operating efficiency of the Sony DSR 85p and ES7 edit station with a conventional nonlinear system. First, let's look at image data sorting. With a conventional system, shot material must be logged and the material loaded onto the hard disk in real time. The combination of the DSR 85p and the ES7 does away with the need for cumbersome image sorting by instantly transferring index pictures together with shot data to the GUI screen. The index pictures can be seen on the screen together with the data in order to confirm the necessary clips prior to uploading the actual video and audio sources to the ES7. The menu setting of the ES7 allows you to transfer only selected clips. This makes editing even more efficient. Then uploading the actual video and audio sources onto the hard disk of the ES7 can be done on the DSR 85p at 4 times normal speed. Furthermore, the downloading of the edited master data from the hard disk onto the cassette can also be performed at 4 times normal speed. Transferring is over and the editing has begun, but the conventional system is still busy uploading. Sony's Clip Link operation using the DSR 85p and ES7 achieves increased operating efficiency, along with the advantages of high-speed data transfer at 4 times normal speed. With the advancement of editing efficiency, the editor can spare more time for the creative process. Easy, enjoyable, and creative. Sony's new digital production system gives you powerful advantages. Tired of conventional editing, which seems to take forever to complete? Look to the future. Sony's new non-linear system is here today and waiting for a new generation of video professionals who can realize the potential of digital production.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and the Sony DVCAM editing deck? Oh, I wish that I had that too. Gosh, I wish I had that. If I had the Sony DVCAM editing system, I would be king.
The DSR 85p is a VTR which provides outstanding performance for the digital era. Shortly, the product lineup will be even more complete. The DSR 1P dockable recorder offers outstanding acquisition performance. And soon to debut, the high-quality editing recorder DSR 80p and its partner, the DSR 60p feeder player. The new Sony digital solution, paving the way for a new digital era in the video production environment.